Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's Battle of the Day. This is where we here at the Firearms Policy Coalition try to give you at least one thing that you can do today in order to help protect and defend your right to keep and bear arms. So take a moment, like and share this video real quick so that your friends can know exactly what they need to be doing today. Today, I want to talk about, nominations. I want to talk about how important it is that when someone is pro-2A or pro-Second Amendment, that they appoint people in appropriate positions who are consistent, with that view. Many of you may or may not know that the president has nominated Mr. William Barr to be the attorney general, the new attorney general for these United States, the top law enforcement officer in the entire country, the person who oversees ATF, the alcohol, tobacco, firearms, and explosives. You guys know these guys, right? Well, here's a problem. And the problem is that Mr. Barr, let's just say he has decidedly taken a number of positions publicly that are against our right to keep and bear arms, that are clearly anti-Second Amendment. One of which would be his most recent statement that he supports extreme risk protection orders. You know, these are the confiscation orders, the orders that basically say you lose your rights with no due process. And, oh, by the way, you have to go to court. When you do go to court, you'll be guilty until proven innocent. So you lose your right to keep and bear arms, and you lose your firearms before you ever get your day in court. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not due process. And we ought not have a chief law enforcement officer of these United States who does not believe in due process. The other thing is he's also said that he is for, quote unquote, reasonable regulation of firearms. Now, you and I know what reasonable regulation is code for. It's code for gun control. It's code for we're going to now restrict your rights in order to your liberty. We're going to restrict your liberty for some perceived belief that you have an increased security. Now, I get it. Law enforcement, they're in many cases, and we're talking policymakers in law enforcement, their job is to provide security. But their primary job, the job that they take when they swear that oath, is to uphold the law and protect the rights of people. To uphold the Constitution, which means your job is to protect our rights. And if your primary concern is how you can take away our rights in order to provide a security that doesn't exist and will never exist, then once again, you are not the person that we need to be. That needs to be our attorney general. So now's the time. We need you to get the word out. We need you to get the word out now. Go to opposebar.com. That's opposebar.com. You can send your own message. Let them know in your own words why this is an individual who is not qualified to be attorney general. Because my attitude is, if you don't believe in the constitutional right to keep and bear arms, then you should not be attorney general. And simply saying you believe in it, that's not enough. You need to demonstrate it, and he's demonstrated enough that this is not something that he believes in. With that, once again, I will encourage you, please, this is how we fight, folks. This is how we do it. We do it with grassroots activism like yours. Go to opposebar.com. Also encourage people to like and share this video. Let them know that the Firearms Policy Coalition is the home in the fight for civil rights. Got to use them or you're going to lose them. You guys take care.
If you like our videos, follow, subscribe, like, and share.